Right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your lost service history. So if you bought a car that is either the service history book's missing, the previous owner hasn't got it, or it's empty and it's missing some stamps and you want to see what's been done on the car, this is the best way to do it that I found, because I've recovered a lot of service history this way. And it's not by using these companies who offer all over the internet, and I don't care how much they claim how great they are, they're all the same. They all give you a crappy bit of paper that costs you about 30 quid, maybe more, and you're none the wiser. So don't waste your money. Try this.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go on Google. You can just put in Google check MOT history and you'll probably get this link come straight up at the top of the list. It's www.gov.uk/check MOT history. I'll put the link in the description so you can go straight there. But most people probably be quite familiar with this. So you want to scroll down to the bottom, check vehicles MOT history, press the big green button, start now. Then it's going to ask you for the vehicle registration, so you want to put that in, your registration. And continue. Now you want to check that your vehicle's actually come up here, so it's definitely your vehicle. You confirm that and you have all the MOT history. This is a standard thing, so you can check all the previous MOT history. However, what you can also do here is you can press this link here, view test location. Now it won't give everyone this information, okay? So you have to be in possession of the V5C, which is your registration document for your car, and have the 11-digit number. I'll show you where that is here, and type it in. Press show test location. Now it's going to reveal all the test location for all the MOTs that have been done on your car. So now this is handy. It's a bit long-winded, but it does work. Trust me, I've done this and I got a full service history back with all the invoices. So what I would start at the bottom. You've got your first MOT here, and then you've got the test location is this location. Now if your vehicle's had not too many owners, you know, people tend to use the same garage that they trust over and over again. So what you could find is most of your history will be done at the same garage. If it is, you're in luck, because then they tend to use the same garage for their MOTs, their services, etc, etc. So what you can do is you can just Google this address, get their contact number, give them a call, be polite, explain what you're doing. They will help you out. I think I rang 10 garages before and every single one of them couldn't help me enough. I was on the phone for 5 minutes with some of them, and they weren't angry and frustrated that I was trying to get information that they weren't getting anything out of it. They were really, really helpful. So don't be deterred, that people are there to help you in these places. You can give them, make sure you have these details to hand. So you want to give them the MOT test number. They can put this in their invoicing system, and they can find out when the MOT was done, and it'll comply with this sort of date, it'll align with that. And then they can also search your car and they can find any other work that's been done on your car at their garage. So then they can find all the invoices, any oil filter changes, any rectification work, and the guys actually posted these some of these invoices out to me. Some sent via email, some actually posted, and there was no money involved. They were just happy to help. So people will help you, and then you can do this for every single garage going up the list, and you might get a good few stamps out of this for your book and a good few bits of history, so you can see. It's peace of mind for you that you've actually had the oil changes and all the servicing done, and it's just a case of the logbook being lost. Or you can see if someone hasn't particularly looked after the car and there is no history. But either way, this is the way you'll get it, or most of it. And like I said, don't use these websites. I've used them. I've used every single one, all the same, different cars. I've tried with them. It's just it's like an HPI check, but worse. You don't get any use. You pay money, you don't get anything out of it. So don't even do that. Just do this yourself. It will take you about an hour on the phone to people writing stuff down. They'll help you out. Be polite. and you'll get everything you need, and then you can annotate this in your service book, and if you come to sell the car, you have all the invoices for those garages for that work, all to back that up as well. So you're increasing the value of your car, and again, it's peace of mind that you know that this work is being done. So give it a shot.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It really does help, and I'll see you in the next video.